The 3 best credit cards for beginners in USA. Getting your first credit card is a big step toward building credit, earning rewards and managing expenses, but with so many options, which one is the best for beginners? Today, we're breaking down the top 3 best credit cards for beginners in the USA, focusing on low fees, easy approval, and great perks. Stick around, because number 1 is a must-have for first-time cardholders. 3. Discover It Secured Card. Starting off our list is the Discover It Secured Card, a perfect option for those with no credit history. Why is this card great for beginners? No annual fee. Unlike many secured cards, this one won't cost you extra. Cashback rewards. Earn 2% cashback at gas stations and restaurants and 1% on everything else. Credit building opportunity. After 7 months, Discover reviews your account and may upgrade you to an unsecured card. Refundable security deposit. Your deposit sets your credit limit, but you can get it back if you manage your card well. The downside, you need to put down a security deposit to get started. But if you're looking to build credit while earning rewards, this card is a winner. 2. Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards Credit Card. Next up is Capital One Quicksilver One, a solid option for beginners who want rewards without the hassle. What makes Quicksilver One great? 1.5% unlimited cashback on every purchase, simple and easy. No security deposit required. Unlike secured cards, you don't need upfront money. Credit limit increase after 6 months. If you make on-time payments, Capital One may increase your limit automatically. Easy approval. Great for those with limited or fair credit. The only downside, it has a $39 annual fee, but the cashback rewards can quickly cover that cost. If you want a beginner-friendly card with easy cashback, this is a top pick. 1. Chase Freedom Unlimited. And here it is, the best credit card for beginners. Chase Freedom Unlimited. Why is this the number 1 choice? 0% intro APR for 15 months. Perfect for first-timers who need time to pay off purchases. Cashback on everything. Day in 3% on dining and drugstores. Day in 5% on travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Days 1.5% on all other purchases. No annual fee. Keep more money in your pocket. Intro bonus. Earn an extra $200 when you spend $500 in the first 3 months. If you want strong rewards, a long 0% intro APR and no annual fee, the Chase Freedom Unlimited is the best beginner credit card out there. Final thoughts. So, which credit card is best for you? Discover It Secured. Best for building credit with cashback rewards. Capital One Quicksilver One. Great for easy cashback and no security deposit. Chase Freedom Unlimited. The ultimate all-in-one star card. Which one are you applying for? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video. See you in the next one.